Hello everyone. Today in this tutorial we will talk about a very amazing feature of Marg, that is DOS. In Marg Software you will get three options in DOS. First one is Medicine, second is Optical, and third one is Remark. First of all, let's understand Medicine, or you can say what's DOS, and about Remark. As you have seen, when doctor gives prescription, then they manually specify which medicines you need to take along with the time, that is morning, evening or night. And moreover, they also specify that how many doses you need to take. But if you want that, you don't need to specify all these details manually, so you can use medicine option in DOS. Next is Remark. There are some medicines for which special remarks to be needed, like take only on the prescription of physician, keep out of reach of children, etc. So these types of remarks you can also print on prescription using Remark option. Same way, as you visit to optical shop, then there you have also seen after checking eyesight, measurements of eyes is also manually specified by them, like spherical, cylindrical, axis, prism and base. But if you want that, you don't need to specify all these details manually, so you can use optical option in DOS. So friends, in this way you don't need to specify anything manually. You can simply enter description in software and take its print. Now let's see how to implement this in Marg Software. For that, first you will go to Master's menu, Marg Setups, Control Room, and now here you will search DOS. Now you can see it opens Setup for DOS, ask separate remark for 1 for Optical, Medicine, Remark Billing, and N for No. So set this to 1. Then press escape key and save changes to yes. Now, if you open items list and press F2 key, then you will see it activates item type field where you will get optical, medicine and remark options. Same way, if you modify any item by pressing F3 key, then here it also shows item type, as you can see here. So first of all, from here we select medicine. Means first you will create or edit that product for which you wanna create doses. So now after selecting medicine, save it. As you save it, it opens doses window, and now here you can set how many doses you need to taken. But if you want, you can skip it also and feed these details at the time of billing. For example, we set 1 dose in morning, 1 in afternoon and 1 in evening. And in the remark field, you can specify remark for this medicine. Now press enter key and let's see its demo. Now when you generate sale bill and enter tablet, then enter quantity, press enter. Now as you press enter key, then you can see it will show you doses which you have specified in item master, and if you wanna change it, then you can do that also. Save it. Now if you press letter F here, then you can see it will also print doses details and remark on invoice, as you can see here. Now after that, let's see how you can specify doses details at the time of billing. But before moving ahead, one thing you will remember, for which product you have specified item type medicine, then it will open doses window only for that product. So for example, here we select the item cetirizine. Then here you will specify quantity, like we enter 14, and then specify MRP. Then press enter. Now as you press enter, then you can see doses window will appear in front of you. And now here you can specify doses, like 1 tablet in morning and 1 in evening. And in the remark field, you can specify remark if any. Now press enter. Then select next item. Enter its quantity. And then enter doses detail. Like we enter, take 1 injection in night. Now select next item. Enter quantity. Press enter. And then enter doses details, like 1 teaspoon in morning and 1 teaspoon in night. As well as we set remark, take this syrup after meal. Now press enter and then select next item, like we select Combiflame. Then enter quantity and press enter. Now suppose here we want to specify take 1 tablet if pain. So for that we specify in remark, take 1 tablet if pain. Press enter and after that select next item and enter its quantity. Now suppose here we specify take 1 tablet in morning and on alternate days. Now press enter and then save it. And now to view its print preview, you will press letter F. And now here you can see that it will print doses details and remarks with their product, as you can see here. So friends, in this way you can use the medicine option at the time of billing. Now after that, next item type is optical. So for that, here we select the item contact lenses. Then in the item type we select optical and then save it. As you save it, it opens optical window and now you can feed optical details here. But if you want, you can skip it also and feed these details at the time of billing. Now let's see its demo. Now when you generate the sale bill, enter quantity, then press enter. As you press enter key, then you can see it will open optical window and now here you can specify measurements of selected product. And after that set remark if any. Now press enter key and then save it. Now press letter F to view its print preview. Now here you can see that it will also print optical details on invoice. Now after that, the next item type field is remark. So for that, here we select the product anti-depression and then select the item type remark. Now save it. Now as you save it, then you can see it opens remark window and here you can specify any remark for this medicine. But if you want, you can skip it also and feed the remark at the time of billing. So for example, here we set the remark for this item is don't take more than 2 tablets in a day. Then press enter key. And let's see its demo. Select the product anti-depression. Enter its quantity. Press enter. Now as you press enter, it opens remark field and here you can see the remark which we have specified in item master. but if you want to modify it, then you can do that also. And now we save it. After that, if you want to view its print preview, so for that, here you will press letter F. And now here you can see it will also print Remark on invoice. So friends, in this way you can use medicine, optical and Remark option in DOS. Thank you.